everybody, welcome back. I'm on the road again. I got the 38-inch Aztex in the back of the truck, and I'm driving to Joe's Tires in Stark to go get the wheels and tires mounted on. My favorite tire store. Always takes real good care of everybody, all of his customers, and I definitely give him repeat business. So we're gonna get some 22-inch wheels. I think these are the lightest 22s that they make, that aren't custom, you know, that are just produced by somebody, and that's what really made me want them. So we're gonna go get those, get these Aztecs mounted, and I'll show you guys that whole process, and then we'll head home, and either tonight or the morning we'll get them mounted on and do the video of the install on the Pioneer and show you guys what they look like, final weights, all that stuff. But see you guys in a minute when we get to the tire store. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Appreciate everybody this stuff. Some of the stuff that I do in tire testing is for you guys and for the content for the channel, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. Here, Joe's Tire.
In the middle of being worked on. Yes, sir. Thanks. That truck in the shop bag, the blue Dodge or something, right? We gotta call more 3 tires for it soon. Oh.
All right, guys. So I got 2 of the tires already out. I'm gonna grab the last 2. And my camera fell. I left my tire bolt, the GoPro bolt at the house. So yeah, let's move these up and get them mounted. 38s and 22s. Should weigh about 74 pounds or so. Heck yeah. Damn. That's a good looking truck. Very nice. That's good. All right, guys, we got them all loaded up. Any final weights, guesses? Post your comment down below and tell me what you think they weigh, and if these things are even going to fit on the Pioneer or the Defender. We'll get a true measurement with them of air whenever I get home. See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I just got these 38s back, and they're at the house. I'm gonna weigh them before we get them put on. 38x9-22 Terache Aztecs, and gonna get them weighed, and I'll get a height measurement before we put them on, just so you guys know know what you're getting from this. So Cooper, you gonna come hold this camera over here, baby?
Sure.
All right, so we're gonna set the weight of this. Okay, 73.6 pounds for 38. And my thought was, if I just cut this these little lines in right here, and we do a slight groove on the outside of the carcass in between the lugs, I bet you I could get them down to under 70 pounds for a 38-inch tire. That is absolutely incredible. 73.6. All right. This is a passenger side tire, and this is a driver side tire, so that'll work perfect. Ooh, they're so big. Okay, so push these together, Coop.
All right.
Coop.
Yeah, watch out for that. When did that fall off?
So this is a 38 inch tire. Those are 35 Outlaw 3s. Roll this one up beside, I mean the height difference beside it. All right, Coop, get a picture of that from the other side, baby. You want to get behind it. Now with this one, obviously you can tell there's no weight on this one. So it would go down a little bit, but from a 35 Outlaw 3 to a 38 Aztecs, that is very tall. All right. Thank you. All right, let's get these put on. I don't have my truck with me, so I don't really have most of my tools, but I can get these at least put on the Pioneer. All right, get a shot of that. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Get two more.
P500s turn into very tiny to the size of that thing, maybe even bigger. Have to compare how tall they are later. $30.
Whew. Okay, so this one's passenger side. This one's driver side. That's it, take those red jacks out. Give me that. Take the red jacks out, pull them. Yank them. There you go. Yep.
Alright, we're good.
Alright guys, that's it. 38-inch Aztecs. We're gonna get a tire height measurement on them right now. On the machine from the ground. On the machine, I would say that's right at a 37-inch tire. I don't know how much air is on them, but I'm reading about 37 inches tall. Whew, they look beast. That's it guys, 37 inches tall, 73.5 pounds on a 38 Aztec. And it is ridiculously tall. So with that being said guys, I got stuff to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.